10 minutes. Okay? Don't let it burn because we need it for the birthday party.
Definitely not.
10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Okay.
Easy as pie.
Turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna go. 10 minutes. Got that? 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Go on, go. 10 minutes. I'm just gonna play a little game. It's a long time to wait. Play with myself. Hopscotch. I don't know how to play hopscotch. What else could I do? I could play the piano. Boring. I could dance. Something smells a little funky. No big deal. I'm going to do my ballet practice. And plie once. And twirl. And something smells a little funky.